In the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Hennepin County, Dakota County, southern Washington County, southern Ramsey County until 10 p.m. At 9:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Minneapolis to Rosemount to near Farmington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.